Hey guys, what's up? This is Tony from digitalradiomarketing.com. In this video, I want to talk about how to combine external JavaScript in WordPress. And to give you a quick answer, there is no easy way using plugin. You will have to do it manually, really. And I have actually tried it with W3 Total Cache. I have tried it with Auto Optimize plugin. And as you can see, I have already enabled JavaScript options and this and that. And I have manually entered and went through every single JavaScript on the site, and I have also tried with the external ones, and it didn't really work. So really, you would have to do it manually. That's really the bad news. But the good news is you can actually still achieve a pretty good result without worrying about external JavaScripts. And as you can see, I have optimized my website here, and you can see I'm getting pretty much perfect score. The start render is 1.9 for mobile, so this is a mobile device. And if you look at the desktop with the cable speed, again, it's pretty much perfect there. The render is 1.4, is 4 seconds, and that's the kind of result that I get with web page test. Now I have also used GT metrics, and as you can see, managed to reach 2.6 seconds full load time, which is pretty good. And it does give somewhat a bad score. Now you really have to read this with a grain of salt, because it says deferred parsing of JavaScripts. Well, I have already combined all the JavaScripts that I know that wouldn't cause problem, and I left the ones that that if I combine them or if I defer them, the web page will have a loading problem. So I cannot do anything about that, and some of these are actually external, so I cannot do anything about that either. And with regards to browser caching, again, this is external. A lot of them are external, so I have no control. So don't get depressed or worried when you see this kind of report that it's not perfect A or it's not perfect 100% score, because you can see here these are all external, and I cannot really control them. So really this is as good as it gets situation. So try to optimize and control what you have control of, and don't worry about the rest really. And it doesn't really worth the time of trying to combine all these external JavaScripts anyways. And the next best thing you could do is really try to disable or remove the things that you don't really need. That would be probably a better way to optimize it, rather than trying to manually combine all these external JavaScripts into one file, so that the loading speed will be a little bit faster. And besides, if you look at this, once you really optimize the ones that are on your website, and the loading, the DOM, it's below 2 seconds. So that means people, when they get to your site, they can really start interacting right away. And in fact, I can actually go to the site right here, and boom, like it loads right away. It doesn't, the feel of the loading, it's really fast. So there's really no reason to spend extra time once you get to the point where start render time is really like 1 second, and load time, this is a fully load we're talking about. So if you look at the DOM loading time here, which is DOM content loaded, DOM interactive, it's below 2 seconds, which is pretty good. So if you like what you're seeing here, if you want to know more about how to go through the process that I went through, please leave a message in the comment section, so that I know perhaps which part of the optimization you're having problem with. If I have a good answer, I can provide that to you by creating another video, or if you like to see how I actually did the optimization to get to this stage here, you please leave a comment so that I can create another video to walk you through step by step how this is done. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you know someone who is in need of optimizing their website for faster speed. And I'll see you in the next video.